I've been vegan for a year and 6 months, so this was my second Thanksgiving as a vegan. One of the things that I definitely missed out on was pie, and my Thanksgiving just wouldn't have been complete without pie, so I had to go out to the store and make my own. So today's video is just basically about how realistic it can be to be vegan, even though it's not very convenient. And those pies that I saw on everyone's dinner tables when I went house hopping, none of them were vegan, but they looked delicious. So I went home and I replicated them. So the first pie I'm making today is a sweet potato pie with pecan crust topped with walnuts. And the second pie I'm making, my favorite, is a frozen dark chocolate peanut butter pie with toasted coconut topping. They are as delicious as they look. So I went to the store and I picked up some sweet potatoes, some soft tofu, walnuts, some coconut sweet. If you're Cameroonian, you know why I call these toasted coconut flakes coconut sweet. I got some vanilla extract and then 2 cans of chickpeas and some pie crust. So to know if your pie crust is vegan, just look at the ingredients, and if there's no milk or eggs, then it's vegan. I then went home with the craziest sweet tooth and craving for pie, cut and prepped my sweet potatoes, and put them all in a blender. So I added some nut milk, blended it up a little bit, and then just went ahead and added 4 sugar cubes because I like it sweet. I added a teaspoon of that vanilla extract you saw me buy at the store, and then this aquafaba. So chickpea liquid is aquafaba. It is a replacement for eggs. I added 1/2 of that block of soft tofu, and then I realized that I would probably like this pie a little bit more with some cinnamon and salt, so I did just that. I blended that up and gave it a nice pour on that pecan pie crust. I just let it get really smooth and then added my walnuts to the top of it. I preheated my oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit so that when I was done prepping the pie, I can just pop it right into the oven. So in this next pie, there are going to be some ingredients that I already had in the house, but I'll probably list those in the description box. So I added the full block of soft tofu, followed by some cocoa powder, which I already had in the house. And then I added 2 heaping spoons of peanut butter, the nutty kind, of course, because I love the texture. And then I added a capful of vanilla extract, some honey, and 2 sugar cubes, just because I wanted it to be a little bit extra sweet. So for the preparation of it, I just added some dark chocolate bites, the coconut sweet, and then went ahead and poured out all of that chocolatey goodness. I added a little bit more of the chocolate bites just for some extra layering, added some more peanut butter, and then marbled it across the top. And finally added some more coconut sweet on top of that, and I froze it in the freezer for about 4 hours before I actually ate it, but I'd recommend freezing it overnight. And voila, my Thanksgiving sweet tooth was satisfied. I'm here with my sister Daisy, who is going to taste test these vegan treats for us. I've already tasted them and I will share my opinion of them later, but let's get into it. Daisy, would you like to try the sweet potato pie with walnut topping first, or would you like to try the high protein chocolate peanut butter frozen pie first?
I want to try the sweet potato pie first.
Sweet potato pie it is. Move this one aside. Let's see how you like it. Go ahead.
It tastes like real sweet potatoes. I like it though.
What else do you taste?
It's very soft.
Okay.
I'm not a fan of nuts, but I can't really taste the nuts because the sweet potato covers the taste of nuts.
Okay.
And then
How's the crust? Is the crust good?
You put cinnamon in here?
Yeah, there's cinnamon.
Yeah, I can taste that. I like it.
Okay, so out of 10, what do you think for this sweet potato pie?
I'll give it a 7.9.
7.9?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, let's get on to the next one. This one has been frozen overnight, so it's a little bit hard, which is really nice. I like ice cream cake, so maybe it's gonna like ice cream cake. Vegan ice cream cake. Check it out. Oh, you can see the dark chocolate little pieces in there. Very, very nice. Okay. Let's see how Daisy likes it. All right, so this piece of pie has toasted coconut flakes on the top. It has a pecan crust. It has some peanut butter, dark chocolate bites, and the base is made with, I'll let you guess, but it is a vegan milk alternative, or vegan condensed milk, whatever they use inside of pie. It's an alternative for that. So go ahead and taste it and let me know what you think.
Okay.
It's frozen.
Oh,
Oh,
my bad. I like this one. I like this one a lot. It's like ice cream cake.
like ice cream cake?
Mm-hmm.
What else do you like about it?
I like that it's hard and like crunchy.
Crunchy?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you get the crunch from?
I don't know. Let me see.
Struggling to break it open. Oh, it's frozen.
It actually tastes like chocolate ice cream.
So guess what the ice cream replacement is?
And Nutella.
No, it's not Nutella.
My bad. Got too excited. I don't know. The crust and coconut sweet on top is really good though.
Good. So what do you rate this one? The other one was 7 out of 10? Was 7.5 out of 10?
7.9.
7.9 out of 10. This one, what do you rate it?
And then I could taste like the real peanuts. Like if it's not peanut butter, but it's like a real actual peanut.
Woo!
This will be an 8.6.
8.6. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'll take it. Well, thank you, Daisy, for reviewing my 2 delicious desserts for the holidays.
Oh. I was trying to show it in the camera.
This girl is great at making a mess. Look at the floor. Hey.
So you made it to the end of this 9-minute video. If you learned something new, if you're inspired to try out some vegan desserts at home, like the video, share the video with your family, with your friends, with those that are actually in your circle especially. For more vegan tips and tricks, follow me on Instagram at moneymeals, and I will catch you in the next video.